Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Let us discuss next method for factorization, that is factorization by regrouping terms. So consider this expression 2xy plus 2y plus 3x plus 3. So here there is no single factor which is common to all the terms. So we cannot apply the method of common factors to factorize this algebraic expression. So now take these two terms. So for first two terms there are common factors, that is 2 and y. So in last two terms or third or fourth term, 3 is the common factor between them. So we can factorize them separately. So 2xy plus 2y can be factorized as 2y into x plus 1. And 3x plus 3 can be factorized as 3 into x plus 1. So now we will combine these two, that is 2xy plus 2y plus 3x plus 3 is equal to 2y into x plus 1 plus 3 into x plus 1. So now in these two terms x plus 1 is the common factor. So it can be written as x plus 1 whole into 2y plus 3. So this is the irreducible form of 2xy plus 2y plus 3x plus 3. So this is the required factorization. So in this way we can factorize by separating the terms also or by grouping the terms. So what is regrouping? So what is regrouping? That means we have to regroup the terms of an algebraic expression. Here let us take this expression 2xy plus 3 plus 2y plus 3x. As we have done earlier, so there is no common factor in between these two terms, or there is no common factor in these two terms also. So we have to rearrange the terms of this expression. So we can rearrange like this 2xy plus 2y plus 3 plus 3x. Then we can take the common factors of first two terms and last two terms. So here the common factor is 2y. So x plus 1. So here the common factor is 3 into 1 plus x. So again these two have the common factor x plus 1. So that can be written as x plus 1 into 2y plus 3. So this algebraic expression as factorized is like this. So these are two factors of this algebraic expression. So here we regroup as this. So this method of regrouping may be in other ways also, that is 2xy plus 3 plus 2y plus 3x we can regroup as 2xy plus 3x plus 3 plus 2y. So here in first two terms the common factor is x, that is 2y plus 3. Then in between these two terms the common factor is 1. 1 into 3 plus 2y. So this is equal to 2y plus 3 whole into x plus 1. So this factorization is same as our previous factorization. So regrouping may be in different ways also. The answer will be same. So example 3, factorize 6xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9x. So there are some steps to factorize this type of algebraic expression. So first step, first you think or first you observe whether there is any common factor among these terms or not. So here there is no common factor among all the terms. So we can regroup. So first you think first two terms if you will take, then the common factor is 2y. So 6xy minus 4y can be factorized as 2y whole into 3y minus 2. So from last two terms, if we want to get 3y minus 2, so this is 3x minus 2, 2y whole into 3x minus 2. So if we will get 3x minus 2 as a factor from last two terms of our algebraic expression, then we have to alter the terms as minus 9x plus 6. So here the common factor is minus 3. So this is equal to minus 3 whole into 3x minus 2. So here we get the common factor 3x minus 2. So we can write 6xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9x is equal to 2y whole into 3x minus 2 minus 3 into 3x minus 2. So this is equal to again 3x minus 2 is common factor. So 3x minus 2 into 2y minus 3. So this is the factorization of this algebraic expression. Here we regroup, that is 6 minus 9x was there. So we have to regroup minus 9x plus 6. So let us regroup these terms in other way. That is 6xy, the another method. xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9x, we can regroup as 6xy minus 9x minus 4y plus 6. So here 6xy minus 9x, 6xy minus 9x have the common factor 3x. This is 2y minus 3. 2y minus 3. So to get 2y minus 3 from the last two terms, we have to change the signs. So this is minus 4y plus 6. So if we will take minus 2 common, so minus 2 into 2y minus 3. So now we can combine. So 6xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9x is equal to 3x into 2y minus 3 minus 2 into 2y minus 3. So this is equal to 2y minus 3 is the common factor. 2y minus 3 into 3x minus 2. So the same factorization as our previous one. So you can regroup in any way. So the factorization will be same.